South Beach Lounge está transformando su mes y ahora aquí seguro está momentáneamente e cammina para mirar todo el partido de fútbol. No solamente tiene espacio amplio, bauti duche afdak, pero tiene lounge chairs cual está siendo realmente perfecto para el lounge na South Beach Lounge.
Belleza.
Com um bucket de cerveja bom frio e duche menu de finger food, South Beach Lounge está claro para a Copa Mundial.
Nós vamos abrir 10 horas de manhã, nós vamos quedar 1 hora da noite.
E nota importância bota opta para a área de bar ou terraça. Na South Beach Lounge bota garantiza e melhor sienta.
Nós temos agora aqui 4 aqui dentro do bar, então nós temos 2 grandes dentro da terraça.
As you see, South Beach Aruba is right now reconstituting itself. We're having a new logo come out, new activities taking place. We're also introducing our new menu, which we're now being open for dinner every night, or if you just want to come and have a snack. Also, at the same time, we have a new cocktail menu that we're introducing to the public. And taking the opportunity, we're going to have the World Cups taking place here every day. We're open for all the games. And at the same time, we're also going to open with our first activity, which will be the free concert of Orange Grove. This concert is going to take place on Saturday 21. The doors will open at 8 p.m. And we're going to start with our house DJ, Ralph. And right after by DJ Select, which is a local Arubian artist. He opened for Data Panic recently at Casa Cultura. And right after that, we'll have Orange Grove, who's visiting us from San Martin on their many tours they're doing. They're doing right now a tour going to Curacao. They're going to only be here one night, only presenting themselves at South Beach. So this is a one-time opportunity. You can come to the band. We do recommend the public to come in early. We are limited in our capacity. So it is important if you come, and if you want to make a reservation, to make sure you have that spot right in front of them. You can go ahead and call us at 583-9008. You can also see us on the South Beach Facebook. You can see us on the Vibration PR Facebook, on Orange Grove. You'll also find the event. We're also doing a like and share campaign where you can like the posters to the event created just for this event. And you can have the opportunity this night to win a bottle of your choice to enjoy with your group of friends when you come to see the concert.